Alright guys, so figured I might as well make this video. Unfortunately, some catastrophic failure happened to this fan. Well, not catastrophic failure, but I'm just sitting here on my laptop and all of a sudden I hear the motor on this fan chattering. Apparently the bearings are bad. It's late at night, so I'll just turn it on. By the way, the light fixture is not the original. This was added years ago, so I'll just turn it on. You have to excuse the other fan noise that's coming from my laptop. Let's see if the microphone's going to pick it up. I don't know if the mic's going to pick it up, but you can hear those bearings are shot. It's on medium. You hear all that? Yep, bad bearings, or whatever you want to call it. I even tried to spray some WD-40 in it, but so far it's not helping. It's also got a grinding noise. Again, it's probably hard to hear with my laptop fans running. Try to see if I can get my fans to settle down enough to where y'all can hear it. It's probably not gonna settle down, but you can get the point. Yep, we got some bad bearings. But it somehow still runs. I felt the motor up there. It was hot. Wish I had a temperature, one of those temperature guns that shoots out, that points the laser. I wish I had one of those to measure the temperature, but it is hot. But it doesn't matter. We're going to be getting some cooler weather here soon anyways, so we'll probably be replacing this fan here too. If anyone knows the model, please comment it down below. I think someone commented on it, the model years ago. This was the same ceiling fan I had in my bedroom, but that's been replaced. Now this one's lived its life and its bearings are just worn out. But again, I don't know if the microphone's picking it up. I'm trying to get my laptop fans to settle down. I don't want to close the lid, but I'm trying to get my fans settled down enough to where y'all can hear it. Okay, I'll pause the video and I'll come back if the laptop fans settle down. Okay, there. Now I got the laptop fans to settle down. Yeah, you hear that? It's on medium right now because it shakes too much on high. But even if I put it on low, you can still hear the rattle. Yep. That's just the noise you just heard was the hard drive restarting. I have it on one of those SATA ID to USBs. In fact, I can... Hold on. Oh, why is it in use? Oh, that's why. Hang on, guys. I know, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. Turn that mess off. Anyways, yeah, let's try to shut that down anyways. I don't know, again, I don't know if the microphone's picking it up. But those bearings sound horrible. Which it's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. Now my laptop fans are trying to rev up again. Yep, it's rattling like crazy. Alright, just one more time, we'll just do a full speed. We'll put it back to high and then we'll turn it off. So, but first we'll just let it come to a complete stop, because why not? This might be the last, it's probably most likely going to be the last video of it anyways. I hope the microphone isn't picking up my laptop fans, I know. Like I said, I sprayed a... Yeah, it's coming to a stop. Yeah, this is abnormal. It shouldn't be coming to a stop that quick, which you can, like I said, it's an indication that the motor bearings are bad. I try to spray a little bit of WD-40 because you can't fit your finger in there with 3-in-1 oil. But anyways, just for the last time, I'll put it on high and then we'll turn it off. Yeah, I don't know if the microphone picked it up, but you could hear how bad those bearings are. Put it back to high. I'll have my flash on and I can just shut the switch off because they're all on this, both the fan and the light are on the same switch. Knock, 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 knock. Yep. Those bearings are done for. Anyways, here's off. Yeah, it was not coming to a stop. Or let me rephrase that. It's definitely coming to a stop quicker than it used 2 years ago, so turn that off and turn the... And yeah, that's that. It's a shame that the motor bearings went bad. I mean, the fan still runs, but I don't want to risk running it anymore. I don't even know when this fan was, at least from the 70s. Maybe 80s, 90s. Like I said, comment down below what model this is again, because I forgot whoever commented on it years ago. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all on the next video.